In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down to tap on Vibration section here and tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable them. Vibrate vocals, notification vibration, vibrate during a call, and last but not least, touch feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. If you decided to enable touch feedback option, you can also adjust intensity of it by swiping left or right on this slider. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and tap on those two switches next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!